Tita Marilyn. Happy birthday, Tita Marilyn. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Marilyn. We love you. We love you.
Hi, Ate Marilyn. Happy birthday. More birthdays to celebrate and God bless you always. Ikaw na po.
Hi, Ate Marilyn. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless po.
Hi ma, happy birthday! Miss ko naluto mo, please. Umuwi ka na. Namumulila na kami nila Jonah. Charot. Happy birthday ma, miss you so much. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday po sa mama namin Jonah. Ingat po kayo palagi. More blessings to come and sana sooner makauwi na po kayo. Ingat po.
Happy birthday Len and God bless and more birthdays to come. Sana mag-ingat kayo dyan ni Alan. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday ate. Good health and more money to come. Happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat. Lahat ng tulong at pati sa mga pinapadala mo mga spam sa mga package na pinapadala mo sa amin. At Kuya Alan, maraming salamat. We love you so much. Bye-bye. God bless. Good health.
Hi Nine! Good afternoon. Greetings from Amsterdam, me and Jan. Happiest blessed birthday to you. Praying for your good health, love, peace of mind, and wealth. But of course, they're saying that health is wealth. So, as I always told you, always pray to God for our blessings, for our whole family, and also like I said, don't work too much, don't work hard. Just take it easy because the most important now is our health. Yes, we need to work for money for our everyday needs, but take it easy because the real wealth or kayamanan is our health. So take it easy, eat healthy food like fish, vegetables, and fruits. It's from the nature. So don't eat much meat anymore because that's cause of our sickness. So that's all, and I wish you have a very good birthday celebration with your family there, Kuya Alan, the siblings, and that's all. And I want to sing you a happy birthday before I'm going to end this video. Happy birthday, Manang! Happy birthday, Manang! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Manang! Happy birthday, Manang! Regards to Kuya Alan. See you soon. I will give you my birthday gift soon. I love you and I miss you. God bless you. Ciao! Mwah! This is my honey driving. Happy birthday. Greetings from Amsterdam! Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi Be! Kamusta? Happy birthday! Wish ko sana still healthy and stay maganda. Ikaw na!
Happy birthday po, tita. And sana po matupad po ang inyong mga pangarap. Stay strong po. And kailan ka po uwi dito sa Pilipinas dahil namimiss ka na po namin. Wala po kami madalawan. And ayun nga po, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday ulit!
Hi Mars! Kumusta? Happy birthday! Naway patnubayan ka ng Panginoon na may laging malakas ang pangangatawan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ingat lagi. God bless. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi Mars! Dahil mo, sabi mo dito kung magpi-50th birthday, ayan, mamimiss namin mga luto mo. But anyway, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang healthy. At sana marami pang taon ang isi-celebrate mo sa iyong birthday. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Maring Len. Maraming babati sa'yo, Mars.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday
po.
Eto.
Happy birthday po. Ilang taon na si Maring Len?
Golden. Happy birthday po.
Golden. Happy birthday po.
Okay, golden. Happy golden years, Mare. Bye-bye. Miss yun na yung chikahan natin, yung chismisa natin at maritesa natin. Malapit na yon. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat. Wait up. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday to Marilyn. Have many birthdays to come. Always stay safe. Bye-bye!
Hi Insan, na maganda. Happy birthday. Sana maraming taon pa darating sa birthday mo at huwag mong pabayaan yung sarili mo at mag-ingat ka lagi. I love you, Insan.
Happy birthday po, Nina!
Happy birthday!
I love you po. God bless.
Dito ka dito, Ken.
Patay yun.
Pindot na.
Happy birthday po, te! Ang pogi ko na, te. Basta pogi, te. Ligtas kayo, te. Happy birthday, te! Mwah!
Hello po, ante. Happy birthday po, te. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Enjoy your birthday. See you next year po. Iwas po muna kayo sa stress. Ingat. Love you, ante.
Birthday, Mamila. More blessing po. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi dyan dito, Alan. Happy birthday po. Ayun mo, happy birthday, Mamila. Hindi mo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mamita, thank you po sa tablet. Sana po dumating na po kayo pagkatapos po ng bilang kong 300. Ngayon po 299 na. Matagal po pa kayo umuwi. Sana po maging maingat po kayo dyan sa Amerika. I love you. Bye-bye.
Manang, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. I miss you. Love you. Salamat, salamat. Mama, chup-chup.
Ilan? Len, happy birthday! Ingat ka dyan! Happy birthday po, tita. Ingat po, Permi.
Happy birthday, Tita Marilyn. Ikaw, guy. Batiin mo tita mo. Happy birthday, Tita Marilyn. Oh, happy birthday. Sabi mo lang, happy birthday.
Tita.
Dali. Ano? Oh, ikaw, Chi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Oh, guy, ikaw naman. Guy. Ito, makukulit kong anak ng happy birthday. And ingat kayo palagi. Si Peter ko nahiya, sapatos daw. Kahit walang regalo kami. Happy birthday ulit. Happy 50th birthday. Ingat kayo palagi ni Kuya Alan. And God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. More birthday to go. Salamat nang. Ito, mahiya itong mga anak ko. Happy birthday ulit nang. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Go!
Huwag na, Carlo. Pati si Mamita. Sige na.
Mamita, sana
Ay, happy birthday, Len. Sana, Len, masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon at enjoy ka muna. Tapos, bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at ano pa ba?
Thank you!
Love you, Len. I miss you. Na-miss ka na namin.
Carlo, ito na.
sana po kapag birthday ko rin po, may regalo po kayo sa akin. Katulad po ng bola ng soccer ball. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng lipstick. I love you.
Ba't bigyan ng lipstick?
Ano na?
Para po gumanda kayo.
Maganda na siya auntie mo eh. Alam mamita mo.
Deng, happy birthday, Deng! Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Mama.
Happy birthday, ante. Kamusta dyan sa Amerika? Miss you po. Ingat po kayo dyan and thank you.
Kayong dalawa ni Alan.
Thank you
ingat
po.
Po kayo,
Bye.
Len. Ingat po kayo.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Enjoy, Len.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo dyan!
Ay nang, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more blessings to come. See you in June, okay? Happy birthday. And mag-iingat ka palagi. Okay, happy birthday, Manang. Ingat palagi, ha?
Morning, Len. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, anak. Ingat ka dyan sa American. I have no money pocket me. Give me money. No more money pocket you. Bye-bye. Then, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka dyan. Inumin mo yung mga gamot mo, ha? Mag-ingat ka dyan. Kayo ko si Alan. 50 years old. Si Iyay, 41, ay 55 na. Sa ugos. Basta te, may pogi te.
Happy birthday, ma. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. I love you. Miss you, mama.
Hello, mama ko. Happy birthday. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. Sana kumain kayo ng maayos po dyan. Huwag puro fast food. At ingatan nyo po yung kalusugan nyo. Sana happy ka ngayon, mama ko. Bawi na lang po ako pag uwi nyo. I love you po. Love you, mama ko and papa ko.
Hi, mama. Hi, mama. Happy birthday po. Hi sa pinakamaganda naming mama. Ay. So, yun. Happy birthday, mama. Sa lahat ng nanay sa buong mundo. Ikaw yung naging nanay ko. And thank you. Ay, yun lang. Tapos, actually, may sinusulat pa. Basahin ko na lang. So, ayun. Happy 50th birthday po, mama. So, alam ko nga na gusto mong umuwi since 50th birthday mo. Pero, next time na lang. Hayaan mo muna si Papa yung kasama mo dyan. Siya na lang muna. Next time na lang kami. Pero yun, sana next time na magkakasama tayo. And then, yun nga, mama. Love you. Alam, matatapos na. Tapos yun na nga, naputol. So, yun nga, miss you, mama. Miss you. Love you, mama. Napabalo na. So, yun, naputol ulit. Miss you, mama. Yun, miss ko na yung kaldereta mo, yung adobo mo, yung nilaga mo, yung buttered shrimp mo. Ano pa? Yung bagoong mo, yung pansit mo, yung menudo, yung lahat. Miss ko na. Wala na rin akong katabi sa kama. Wala na rin lahat. So, yun. Miss you, mama. Tapos, hindi ko lang paano ko papabain. Sabi kasi ni ate, paiyakin daw kita eh. Ka namin pala. Pero yun lang. I love you, mama. Thank you. Love you. Uwi na kayo. Dito, ni papa. Siyempre si papa din, I love you. Miss you. Bye.
Hi, nene ko. Happy birthday sa'yo. 50 ka na. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. Yun, happy birthday and I love you so much. Basta tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. Hanggang sa huli tayo. Walang bibitaw. Okay, I love you so much. Happy birthday. Bye.
Another year gone by. We see the candles light. Friends and family all around. Let's make a wish tonight. Laughter fills the air. Love is everywhere. Kicking joy inside. Everything feels just right. Happy birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday. This day is all for you. Memories will create. Together celebrate. Wrap the gifts with care. Good vibes we all share. Dance and sing out loud. Stand out in the crowd. Moments like these rare. Show the love we bear. Happy